Okay, we're in exercise set 83. I'm going to start with problem number 1. I'm going to go to the whiteboard. We'll certainly have to go on the whiteboard. We'll talk about the solution as indicated in the answer key. All right, so I'm going to go to the whiteboard. And again, my first thing is to read. It says in the progression, blah, 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 blah. And what kind of progression is this? Well, let's write this down then. So we're given a progression. And let me write down what the progression is. I'm seeing 4/5. And the next term I see is 12 over 43. Next term I see is 12 over 71. Then they say blah, 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 blah. All right? So the thing about this one over here is that, kind of looking at it, you wonder what kind of progression it is. And I'm going to say, I don't know many progressions at this point. Geometric arithmetic clearly does not look geometric to me, and it doesn't look arithmetic. So I'm going to say, maybe it's harmonic at this point. So if it's harmonic, what I'm going to do is write down the reciprocals of it. All right? Now, the reciprocals of a harmonic would be arithmetic. So let's write this down, and let's see what happens over here. Well, we get 5/4. Then you get 43/12. And then you're going to get 71/12. Well, the bottom line here is that these denominators are a lot easier to deal with, but I'm going to write them in a common denominator now to see if I can see a pattern to it. And I see 12 as being that. So 15/12, 43/12, and 71/12. And I want to see if there's a pattern to this. And what I mean by that is there's some number that's being added on to those numerators. And if you thought about it, let's see, 25, 28. Yeah, 28. So this is arithmetic. All right? So what do I get? This is arithmetic. I'm going to go to A1 is 15 over 12. And the common difference, D, is going to be 28 over 12. All right? So then the question goes is, what do they want you to do? Well, they want me to do something here. They want me to do what? They want me to get the 22nd term of this one. Let me call it, sorry about that. I can't call it A. That's for sure. Got to get my eraser out. And where is my little eraser over here? I'm going to call it H22. And I'm really screwing up here. This is harmonic. I want H22. But to do that, I need A22. So before I do that, I want to kind of get these numbers a little bit simpler for me. So I'm going to say A1. And you know what? Maybe I shouldn't do it. I'll just do A20. No, I'm going to simplify. And I'm going to say divide by 3, so 5/4. And D, I'm going to divide by, let's see, 4, 7/3. All right? So the bottom line is that I can write A22 down. What's that going to be? A1, which is 5/4. I'm going to have to go back to 12ths again, by the way, plus 21, right? Because n minus 1 is 21, and the difference is 7/3. Well, I'm going to do that. That's 5/4 plus 49, and I got to get that. That's common denominator 4, right? So what do you over there? 5, and that'll be 198. I'm sorry, 196. Sorry about that. And that would give you 201/4. So now I know this term. What's it going to be? 4 over 201. All right? Again, my recommendation is look at the answer key. And certainly they have the work down. They've talked about it pretty much the way I've talked about it here. And the final answer is 4 over 201. All right? Thank you.